Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier video that I shared almost one day ago with you, and this was the video by the way, I was showing you that BitTorrent has broken out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And if we take a look at the live chart, let me just show you the daily time frame, then here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of March 2024 up till here, up till the month of August 2024. It had been moving inside this channel. We broke it out here, and after the breakout, the price and dropped down, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support, and after a successful retest, it is geared up, and now it is about to hit this long-term resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a support zone here, and here it had been breaking other resistance, and here for a few weeks it had been breaking other resistance. Therefore again it can break as a strong resistance, and in today's video we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout we had a powerful pump. By the way, from this low to here it was almost 494% pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 220, and now recently it has broken out another down channel. And in today's video we will take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared a few days ago on 9th of September 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared on 9th of September 2024 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that BitTorrent was completing with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal, and so far it has pumped almost 11%. And before that we caught almost 125%, very massive pump, and this was another harmonic bullish reversal pattern, a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that BitTorrent completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 11th of Feb 2024 with my members, and this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. First it reached the sell target zone here, then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 125% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of BitTorrent, and first of all let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel, and finally we have broken out the resistance, and you can see that while moving inside this channel the price also dropped down at this support zone that starts from 77 and goes to 73, and for several days it had been breaking as support and support here as well. You can see that even after the breakout, when the price line was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support, at the same time the price also tested this support zone as well, and now it is geared up, and now we are about to hit the next resistance on a very long-term resistance on that starts from 108 and goes to 115. Now if you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that this resistance zone had been previously breaking as support zone here, resistance here, and for several weeks it had been breaking as a resistance zone. Therefore there is a very high probability that this time it may again break as a strong resistance zone for the price line of BitTorrent. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that BitTorrent has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout we had a nice pump, almost 494%, but due to this next formation of the channel and the rejection by this long-term resistance of 220, the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this long-term down channel. And now if you take a look at the targets, because we have broken out this channel, the recent down channel, and soon I'm expecting that it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and that will be here at the top of the channel at 220. And by the way, from 220 to 255 we have a quite long-term resistance zone that had been previously breaking at the resistance zone here and resistance zone here. And last time it was breaking at the resistance zone here in the month of Feb 2024. And that is also the target for the breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And if the price then breaks out this resistance zone, then it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.